In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Nova on Photon. So first off, we're going to need three things, and this is a Photon account. So over here, as you can see, I have that. We're going to need Nova, which is the bot itself, and we're going to need Telegram, because in order for Nova to work, you have to connect it to Telegram. So if you have those things ready, now let's begin. The first thing you want to do is go to this website over here, which is called click.tradeonnova.io. And then from this website, you want to click download for Chrome, because this is basically an extension for Chrome. You just want to click on that and then click add to Chrome over here. Then simply click on add extension. And from here in a few seconds, there we go, this will download and install your extension over here. Now, what you want to do after you've done this, you can close down this tab. And over here, as you can see on the website, you will now see an option to connect Telegram. Now for this, you will have to use either Telegram Web, which I have over here, or the Telegram desktop version, which is the downloadable client for your laptop or PC. So once you have either of those and you're logged in, you want to click Connect Telegram over here. Wait a few seconds, and then you can either click Start Bot or Open in Web. So because I had this open in Web, I'm just going to click Start Bot. And then it's going to start the bot. So if that doesn't do anything for you, you want to click open in web and then wait a few seconds. And as you can see, there we go, it's now in here, and it's going to click start automatically. It says user not found, use start to get started. Now simply click on this start over here, and there we go. As you can see, you get this greeting, welcome to Nova, etc. So this has just connected Nova to your Telegram right now. What you want to do after this is click on this kind of menu over here and then click settings. And inside these settings, as you can see, it says still, if it says for you that seems like you aren't a Nova user yet, let's begin your journey by clicking start. What you want to do is simply click start yet again. Now, as you can see over here, you're going to have to join the queue, because it says it's the fastest Telegram bot in Solana. And then it says if you don't have access code, tap the button below to join the queue and be the first to experience lightning fast transactions. Now you can click join queue and then just wait for this to essentially grant. So as you can see over here, it says access granted in 1 hour 36 minutes and 27 seconds because I am this number on the wait list. If this does happen for you and if you can't hop in immediately, now you're just gonna have to wait it out. Usually it's not that long, about an hour and a half. But once you've done this and once that's done, you can go back to Photon, and in here you're gonna be able to start using your Nova bot. And the way you can do this, if I refresh the page over here, you want to go to this puzzle icon, which are your Chrome extensions, and then you can see your Nova extension. Now, if you want to make this process easier, you can pin it by clicking pin, and as you can see, it's now over here. You don't have to click anything twice. So just click on the Nova bot, and it says disabled right now. You want to click enabled over here. It's going to refresh your Photon. And then from here, as you can see, you have different presets for selling, buying, etc. And then you can save this and enable the Nova panel. So that's basically how you use Nova on Photon, how you connect it. It's quite easily. But again, of course, do this everything at your own risk, because trading crypto can be risky. I am not a financial advisor. I just want to show you how to actually start using this bot in case you want to do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.